going on, internet peoples? For those of you just tuning in, my name is Aaron, aka AA Nation, and I like making videos while riding my motorcycle, and it goes vroom. Whee! So enjoy! Mr. Scooter. Hello, Mr. Scooter. How is the scootering today? Great. It's a great scooter day. What's that? It's a great scooter day? Oh, it's a great little day. On the bike, period. Excellent. He's on a scooter. It's got rims. Fancy rims. It's cold today. It's a little nipply, a little chilly. Winter is coming, folks, and I am not looking forward to it, that's for sure, because it's just gonna snow, kabam! And then I can't ride my motorcycle. I'll have to find other ways to entertain you. But today we're gonna go, well, I'm cutting through traffic here. Woohoo! Today, we're gonna go into the city of Toronto. Nice little windmill action. Yeah, windmill. And we're gonna have a look around from where I'm from. I think you missed a truck. I think I'll go in front of you. This is traffic. At this van, stay in your lane, sir. Stay in your lane. Yeah, CN Tower. If you like big, neat old tower thingies that are really, really long, ladies, you know what I'm talking about. It's the Sky Dome, aka the Rogers Center now. It's where the Blue Jays play, and they are killing it this year. It's so tall. Yeah. Who likes trains? Ripley's Aquarium, Canada. See some crazy shit in there. Although I have to admit, I've never been. Oh, look at this thing. Come on, kill it, buddy, kill it. How cool would that be if you just fell right now? It's pretty buildings. Usually this street is just ram-packed. Today, not so much. It's Union Station, where all the trains come and live. And I don't think they live here. I think it's just, they just meet here. They just occasionally meet and talk about life. Yeah. More cool, awesome, tall buildings. Yeah. Ooh, City Hall. Nathan Phillips Square with the new sign. Because we're so pretentious like that. More tall buildings. Yeah. Oh, I smell pizza. Oh God, I smell delicious pizza. Where is it? Come together right now. And over me. Air Canada Center. Ooh, motorcycles. Motorcycles. Yeah. So a lot of people have been telling me I sound just like Snowcat. I don't know. I don't see it. What do you guys think? Do I sound like Snowcat? I don't know. Alright guys, I promised you a walk around of the bike. This is a 1995 Yamaha YZF 600R. They only made this bike between 1994 and 1996. So it's pretty old. It's 20 years old now. And she still has lots of life left in it. Only 16,000 miles. It is an American bike. It's all painted to flat black with the fluorescent orange powder coat rims, which I think is a nice touch. And yeah, you know, I don't like when my bikes are pristine and in perfect condition. You know, it's got a little scratch right here, a little scratch there, seat's a little ripped. You know, I ride it, I don't baby it, and I don't put it on for showcase. It's for me to ride, and ride as hard as I can. So there you guys go. What do you think? I'm so damn full. Oh, why did I do this? Oh, I'm tired. Look, I'm full, I'm lazy, and I'm tired. Oh, I ate way too much. Why did I eat too much? Ah. Well, now that you guys got to see my ride, why don't you tell me what you ride? And hell, if you don't got a bike, just tell me what your favorite ride is. Woohoo! A little airborne on that one. I'm swerving. Oh, now I'm braking. Alright guys, until next time.